You talking? Oh. Oh.
A new career? From innovative cooking techniques to solid management practices. Look home commercial.
What are you mad about? Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Oh.
Francie's got this job interview today. She asked me to iron her clothes.
Why are you doing it?
Because she is a mess, Matthew. She is totally reliant on me. She can't do anything for herself. I have never met anyone so self-absorbed. All she does is talk about herself.
Any chance my meter's fixed?
And the worst part is, I am this woman's rock.
Wait, you? You're not a rock. It's
Oh.
dry clump of mud. It crumbles when you touch it.
I know. I thought it was so great at first, but I mean, it is just too much, you know? I need a break from her.
Hey, where's Barb and all this?
She took a break from me. I'm going to ditch Francie.
You'll fix what?